awesome. I love it.
What does it say?
It says Jessica, and there's a little cross.
Oh.
And it says Romans 8:36 through 39. Or 38 through 39.
That's your favorite scripture,
My
right?
favorite scripture. Good guess on my favorite scripture.
Yeah,
There's a lot to choose from.
It's a big book. It's a good book. They call it the good book.
Oh, it's a good book.
Figjewelry.com. Are we going to be able
You
to
can
see
zoom
this
in on
in the
Jessica's
start?
Oh, let's zoom in.
Let him zoom in on your necklace.
Not the cleavage, the necklace.
You get it?
Keep it decent. It's going on the internet.
I know. Someone's going to go in.
It's not one of those kind of videos.
Type in something
You
not
see
good.
the necklace, son?
Mine almost looks like mine.
Yeah.
What does yours say on it?
Mine
says
Ariana,
cross.
I love you, Grandma.
Beautiful.
In a cross.